All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, the Drip Network, 1% ROI, all kinds of good stuff about cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogs of Elon. Not Doge on Mars, but Dogs of Elon. Yep, we're going to talk about this cryptocurrency right this second. Go to their Twitter account, go to their website. Also has a new list. We're going to talk about where they got listed, which is fantastic. And I've been talking about this for a while, about the Super Bowl commercials being the best ones ever, which will be cryptocurrency. Well, how would you like FTX to be giving out a Bitcoin? Or wait a minute, a Bitcoin is 40 or 50,000, right? They're saying they're going to give out 1 million to 1.5 million. They haven't decided. So you think the best commercials this Super Bowl is going to be a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola commercial, or something that gives you the Bitcoin? There's going to be multiple people that win the Bitcoin, and it says there's no well, we'll wait that for later. All right. All kinds of good stuff. Super Bowl's coming. Get yourself some Bitcoin by watching the commercials. Holy cow, FTX, we love you. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogs of Elon. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. Dogs of Elon is up 13% for the last 7 days. Let's go ahead and click it. It's up 13%, but in the last 24 hours, it's down 10%, so it's kind of doing a wash. It's traded at 4 cents, 0.4066, so about 4 cents. Here's in the last 24 hours, things are getting kind of choppy. Taking a look in the last week. In the last week, things have went up in the last week. Let's check the holders of Dogs of Elon. 3 months. So we had 7,800 holders. Right now we got 6,400 holders. Kind of a new token right this second. So 6,400 people holding the Dogs of Elon. Could be a great time to get yourself a little bit of Dogs of Elon. All right, over at the website, Dogs of Elon, adopt a unique NFT Doge today. There are 10,000 unique collectible characters inspired by the meme coin community. Contains 30 Elons and 70 zombies. We'll do a price prediction when we're done, too. All right, we got Elons and zombies. All right, that's kind of cool, huh? So over at the Twitter account here, jumping around a little bit, 134,000 followers. Dogs of Elon. We are proud to present our first P2E game on the gaming platform. You will be able to earn a metaverse and play with our favorite Doe NFT and start earning Doe. Our goal is to create an ecosystem that introduces our token and the art to millions around the world. Let's see. We gotta have to play this one. Coming soon. All right, Dogs of Elon. You're going to use the NFTs, the one that you buy. You can use those inside the game. All right, other breaking news. Starts with the T and ends with an A. What do you think it is? Okay, breaking news. President Biden just announced Tesla as the nation's largest electrical vehicle manufacturer. Wow, Tesla is the biggest. You know, the icon companies like GM and Ford building on new electric vehicle productions. To Tesla is our nation's largest electrical vehicle manufacturer. Go Tesla. This is the big thing too. Great news. Doe is officially listed on Trust Wallet. You can now see our logo, why safety securing your funds. Now listed. Doe now listed on Trust Wallet. So you can go over to Trust and get yourself some Doe or Dogs of Elon. I thought this was pretty neat right now. Zombies and aliens. All right, the zombies are sitting at roughly 2.2 Ethereum is the floor. The aliens are a little bit more expensive. Aliens are 2.5 Ethereum is the floor price. And here's the funny thing: the P2E game isn't even out yet. Dogs of Elon collection, the Dogs of Elon, an NFT of the Moonshot Trader. Doe is our passion project. We work to create CryptoPunks alternatives. All right, and then we just got more and more good news. The Doge is now verified in open seas. Another milestone. Doe is actually, Dogs of Elon is on OpenSeas. Another major milestone completed by our amazing team, and we aren't stopping. Get your Doe verified on OpenSea. All right, so Dogs of Elon, not Doge on Mars, is doing pretty fantastic. So you get NFTs, you can put it into games. I mean, all kinds of good stuff right this second. It's up for 7 days. It's down a little bit, but I'm just pretty excited. This is our first Dog of Elon video we're ever bringing you. So, hey, give us a thumbs up and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, FTX, Crypto Bow. They're going to be giving away Bitcoins. Now, when we were talking, what's the best commercial on the Super Bowl? Now, if you are sitting there watching this little raffle, whatever they're going to do, and you're involved to try to win a Bitcoin, well, you could be pretty excited. Let's head over to FTX and see what we're talking about. All right, right here, FTX will give out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. FTX, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has announced an additional to its planned Super Bowl advertisements. So they added it. We're giving away some Bitcoin. How much? $1 million worth? Question mark. $1.5 million worth? Question mark. We don't know exactly. The later of our big game ad airs, the more Bitcoin you can win. Let's see you on Sunday. No purchase is necessary. Pretty awesome here. Hey, let's play this right quick.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
All right, so we may be seeing that before the advertisements. We may be seeing that on Saturday. Because, again, I was talking about all these new ads we're going to see for the actual Super Bowl. That's a commercial talking about how he's going to win Bitcoins. Oh, boy. All right, here we go. The cryptocurrency exchange took to Twitter, announced that they're giving away free Bitcoin to 4 lucky winners who retweet the pinned post of the FTX Twitter account. FTX details that the 4 random selected winners will split a total of a number of Bitcoins when the ad airs at the Super Bowl at Eastern Time. The exchange notes that they actually don't know exactly how many Bitcoins are giving away at the price. At the time of this writing, it's increasing quickly. According to official guidelines, FTX, each winner will receive a Bitcoin deposited into their FTX account. The amount of the Bitcoin to be deposited will equal the ET time. So they run for 9 minutes, I think. I think they're going to give away 9 Bitcoins. If they run advertisements for 14 minutes, I mean, we'll see. All right, the Cincinnati Bengals and Los Angeles Rams will play on the 14th at 6:30. And that's funny right there. That's actually a typo because it's not the 14th. It's actually the 13th on February 13th at 6:30. Oh, boy, you guys are mistyping here. But again, FTX will give away a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. How fantastic is that? We've been talking about the best commercials. Well, I mean, they say they're going to deposit the Bitcoin into your FTX account. They may have some kind of a thing that everybody creates an FTX account while they're watching the Super Bowl. Could you imagine that? Mass adoption of FTX accounts all at one time because they're all trying to get a Bitcoin and you have to have an account in order to even get the Bitcoin. Oh, boy. This is going to be fantastic. I'm looking forward to the Super Bowl. Cincinnati Bengals, Los Angeles Rams. Give your comments in about them. Who do you want to win? I like both the quarterbacks. I mean, Cincinnati, guy's only been in the league for 2 years. That's fantastic. Stafford played for Detroit for all those years. He gets traded over to the Rams. First year traded, he's in the Super Bowl. It's almost like a Tom Brady story. So both quarterbacks got some fantastic stories. All right, let's head back over to Dog of Elon. Oh, don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, Dogs of Elon. Let's head back over. All right, we're over here back at the website. Now, here's a couple things. Look at this. As seen on Dogs of Elon has already been on Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Yahoo Money, Investing.com, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. I mean, the community calls. Doe is powered by the community. Join the pack. We need you. Over here, a couple things. How do you buy the Doe? You connect right here to Uniswap. I always get asked, how do you buy the token? So right on the top right corner, you can connect right to Uniswap and basically buy your Doe. NFTs on OpenSeas over to the right again. You would click over to the top, and it's going to basically bring you to OpenSeas, and you can go ahead and start having some fun with your NFTs over here, everybody. What is there? 30 Elons and 70 zombies. Oh, yeah, boy, oh, boy. Tokenomics, you got the gallery, and staking the Doe, staking the Dogs of Elon. All right, Dogs of Elon, Dogecoin Mars. I mean, not Dogecoin Mars, but Dogs of Elon liking this coin. Pretty interesting. You can use the NFT in the game. The game's going to get launched. Back over here at the coin market cap. What's our price prediction? This token's at 4 cents. I'm thinking the token can go to 4.3 cents, 4.4 cents by the next month or so. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But there's going to be a lot of publicity with the Dogs of Elon and Dogecoin Mars. So now, even on my channel, I'm going to start talking about Dogs of Elon and Dogecoin Mars because they're both fantastic cryptocurrencies. Let's not forget, all my information is for educational purposes only. Thanks for tuning in. Super Bowl's coming up. Crypto Bowl's coming up. Best commercials, I've said it 3 weeks ago, are going to be crypto commercials when all kinds of people win Bitcoins. And if FTX is doing that, what's the other 3 cryptocurrencies? Today we're going to hear about it. What are we going to hear tomorrow or the next day, what they're doing? I mean, now that it's out, they can real quickly do something. So, all right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. We bring you all kinds of hot news and information on cryptocurrency. Frank's Crypto Corner. Have a fantastic day.